In their final year, students of the Bachelor's program in International Studies work on a consultancy project as part of the course Practicing International Studies, or PRINS. They get the opportunity to work on real-life case studies presented by a diverse range of businesses, NGOs, government institutions and other organizations.
What was interesting is I didn't know what to expect in the beginning when I started the course, because we were presented with so much information about everything, and once we started digging into it, we were a bit lost. And then we started little by little finding ourselves. Once we got into the process of working, we got so engaged and interested that at the end of the day it happened to be an amazing experience that wouldn't be able to be found elsewhere.
What is really valuable is that the students have done great work in doing literature review, and that for us is already a big factor, because this kind of work will help us analyze better the way we do our programming. So that's quite a lot of work that the students have given us.
I appreciated the fact that we were able to communicate directly with the professionals in the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, to foster a connection with the organization and to be able to ask questions directly at the people who will implement our policy recommendations.
It provides a very good opportunity both ways for the students to research on something that is not in their curricula, and for us it's to have access to a huge power of research that the university has to always improve our interventions.
What we have been focused on in international studies was the pure academic experience with probably little grains of practical analysis. What PRINS did was, once again, bridge this gap and show us what it actually is to be in the real world.
The most valuable lessons that I've learned during this course were how to translate research findings into policy advice, and leadership skills were developed.
For you as an organization, the value of PRINS lies in gaining access to innovative ideas from students with a humanities background. For you as students, you get to put into practice your academic knowledge and have a real impact on society.
I highly recommend for other organizations to partner with PRINS, because this is the kind of program that will help you look at the issues that you face on a daily basis with fresh perspective and with the enthusiasm of young people. This is going to benefit you more.